The PVP Uniflex 11x18 Decon shelter, complete with 3-lane shower stalls and catch basin, plus plumbing kits, consists of 10 shower heads, and when fully collapsed will fit into a 2-piece carton size 84 inches by 84 inches by 15 inches, suitable for shipping. To erect the Uniflex Decon shelter, simply remove from the carton using the yellow nylon pull straps provided. 4 operators are required to set up an 18-foot fully loaded shelter. The process involves setting the shelter up on the blue edge, as indicated. Then each operator places one hand on the wall extrusion and the other hand on the floor extrusion. It is important that all operators pull in unison, using a steady, slow motion to extend the accordion structure to its full length. This entire process should take no more than 1 minute to complete. Once the freestanding shelter has been erected, all unzippered external doors may be rolled up. 2 retractable fiberglass poles are inserted at each end of the roof to provide additional support. All excess water and contaminants are contained in the large water basin secured to the inside of the shelter. The dirty or polluted water is removed by means of a bilge pump connected to a 20-foot long hose, which can be transferred to a holding tank for further treatment. The 10 plumbing kits and nozzles are all connected to a hose nozzle located outside of the shelter for easy access from the chosen source of water, whether it is tap or hydrant, etc. The water is first cycled through the diesel heater provided, which heats the water to 100 degrees Celsius and is ready for use in a matter of minutes. The 3-lane shower system comes complete with an open center lane section to be used by fully equipped hazmat personnel to initially remove any hazardous substances they may have encountered from their clothing. The front of the Decon shelter has 2 separate cubicles for the operators to undress in privacy, and the center section of each side has 4 individual shower stalls fully equipped with spray nozzles. The rear of the shelter has 2 separate cubicles where the operators can dress themselves in privacy. Once the cleanup process is complete, the shelters can be ready for collapse. This involves detaching the water supply and unzipping all the doors and folded units. Under no circumstances should anything be zippered that could form an airlock and put unnecessary stress on the seams and creases of the shelter, which may damage it beyond repair. The removable water basin can also be detached and removed for final cleaning before packaging. The holding tank fasteners and the wall straps are unhooked before disassembly. The large black catch basin can be removed from the shelter for cleaning before disassembly and restorage. Once everything is detached from the main structure, the water supply is detached, all the zippers are unzippered, and everything is rolled down, then the unit is ready for disassembly. To collapse a shelter, 3 operators are required, 1 on each end and 1 in the middle. Each operator must reach in and fold the floor creases as shown in the video. It is very important to make sure that all folds that bow out are pushed back into the correct position as shown in the close-up insert. The correct method of collapsing starts with the top section first, then the bottom section. This ensures your unit will not be damaged when it is further collapsed. Once all of the folds or creases are in the proper position, the two operators at the end of the shelter start the collapsing process. The operator in the center assists the collapsing process by pulling down on the wall units using the straps provided. The collapsing process, if properly performed, should not take longer than 2 minutes, and the geometry of the shelter design will tend to assist the collapsing process in readiness for repacking into the custom container provided.